as far as the safety and health provisions and amendments proposed are concerned, nobody nowhere has objected to it. Everybody has welcomed it because they wanted it, because we are mainly concentrating. When 2-3 things have come which are of little technical by nature and also should be concerned with this welfare, 2-3 observations have come. One, basically, if you see, when they have said for the purpose of the nominating occupier is concerned, they have given a concession like in the proposed amendments for the public sector. They said whoever is the person running, he can be nominated as director, an occupier. Whereas with private sector, it is basically and specifically the director. That's what we have objected to, because the second Commission on Labour has very much clearly specified there cannot be any discrimination between public and private sector. When public sector has been given the concession of nominating somebody as occupier, when I use the word somebody, the meaning is you will find that having ultimate control words have been removed from the proposed amendments. Having ultimate control over the words which were there now, that has been successfully, calmly have been removed, and they said you can nominate. I think I can nominate any manager who can be a prosecuting person fellow. But if that is the case with regard to the public sector, why it should not be with private sector? Or have the same rule? Because nowhere you are supposed to discriminate as observed by the second Commission on Labour very specifically in one of its chapters. That is one observation which we have sent. Both FAPSI as well as EFSA, CI, everybody has written on that. And the second one, when Mr. Kumar was mentioning about the 240 days, it looks what is there in that. But as a matter of fact, the reason they have given is Badli workers. If Badli workers may not be in a position to work for 240 days, why they should be deprived of the leave? Probably that is the kind of discussion, thinking they had, and it could be correct also. But our observation is, you need not for that reason change this 240 days and you keep it, but for Badli workers you put 90 days. We have no objection.